Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss how to add an I button or iCard to a YouTube video. Whenever you watch a YouTube video, you may have noticed an I button or a pop-up message that display a link to another video. Clicking on it reveals the video link in the description like this. Let's get started with the video and see the process step by step. You can open YouTube in your browser, sign in, and then click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Here, click on YouTube Studio, then navigate to the content and find the video to which you want to add an I button. Click on the pencil icon next to the video. Scroll down and on the right side you will see the card option. Click on it. In this video there is already an I button added. Let's add another one. Click on add card and select the video you want to link. You can see another video has been added to the I button. In the I button you can add video, playlist, channel and links. Now click on the channel and here you can search for the channel you want to add. If you want to delete it, you can delete it this way. Now I will add a video and click on save. This video is now added to the I button. Now let me go back and play the video to check. You can see that the video link is now in the I button, and clicking on it display the video link in the description. This way you can add the I button or iCard to your video. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful in showing you how to add an I button to your YouTube video. If you find this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and hit the bell icon to receive notification from my future uploads. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to drop them in the comment below.